Hello everyone, we are doing the 5th of July fireworks, of course for our little baby that's turning 1. It's so bad, it's just so bad. So we are doing snap pops. Man.
Here, stomp it. There you
Here
go.
are the snap pops. Dad, let me have one. So what do whenever you have a snap pop? You,
Here you go.
this is a snap pop. This is a snap pop.
Hard.
So
Stomp the other one.
once you have one, you throw it on the ground, and
Yay.
it lights up, and then it makes
Stomp it. No, not you, Eli.
a sound.
Not with bare feet.
Don't do it with bare feet.
Davey used to do these and just smash them
Not
with his
you.
fingers until they pop.
For example, yeah. So they have like these cords on the top, like an antenna, and then like on the bottom, it looks like a mini sack. So it'll look like a mini sack. So once you have one, you throw it on the ground as hard as you can, and it will pop. It's really cool.
Liam, here. Stomp it.
So
Stop.
we're gonna be. If you get bored, that's okay,
Let
because
Mommy stomp one.
you don't have to watch this. You don't have to. You don't have to. It's up to you. One,
Stomp it.
dang,
Stomp it. Stomp it.
14 at a time.
Yay. Here. Stomp it. It's over here, bud. Here, Eli.
Okay, thank you. Watch this. Boom. Was that cool or what? Thank you.
Stomp it.
Thank you
Here.
for watching this video. If you liked, please hit that like button and its crotches. Or for say now, just hit that like button with your fist.
There you go.
Strong as you can.
Here. Get that
Hope
one,
you
bud.
liked. Subscribe. I
Get it,
surrender.
get it, get it.